Meet AutoInsights, business intelligence that doesn't wait to be asked. Our platform delivers answers directly to you through 3 powerful tools: the Feed, Deepdive, and Ask. Start with the Feed. It automatically surfaces key trends and anomalies, just like scrolling social media. Every insight gives you the full narrative: what happened, why it happened, and exactly what to do next. No queries or reports needed. Need more detail? One click launches the Deep Dive, breaking down complex root causes in seconds, not days. Have a specific question? Just ask in plain English. You get instant answers and your data stays strictly private, never training public AI models. Deployment is painless. AutoInsights sits directly on your existing stack, like MySQL or Power BI. No migrations. Live in days, not quarters. Your data already has the answers. Stop waiting for them. Discover what your data knows at autoinsight.ai.